Kaz Pearman from What's New in Electronics, and I'm joined today by Adrian from the ASYS Group.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And you too. So how's it the past 2 days been for you on the Technology Days, back after 4 years?
It was great. It was incredible to have the customer here again and to show them our unique portfolio. So what you actually saw the last days is an entire smart factory. We started at the very beginning with the material inbound, then the handling through the SMT line, then the material again, then the printing processes, the laser processes, different approaches what we have. And obviously, of course, because I'm the product manager of the customized solutions, you also see our platform where we build our solutions for our customers. If they have any assembly projects, and that's the logical consequence, because what we have this platform, and we have all the knowledge from all the other projects. So what we can do, we can use the modules, integration modules, and we just bring them into our assembly platform. Actually, we just use the knowledge of all my other colleagues and put them together and build the customized solutions.
And what an amazing space to be able to do that in.
It's incredible here. So what we have this huge shop floor here in this area, and we show our customers what is possible for us to do. And we are not doing next to the electronics assembly units. We also have the business units of life science, where we also have a lot of customers where we can supply GXP compliant machinery, documentation, validation documents, and we have also a huge sector in the energy field. So energy, nowadays everyone is talking about batteries, solar, fuel cells, and actually what you can see here, that's an example line for fuel cell production. And we are unique in the market, but because what we did, we have all the knowledge from the other business units. We have the entire shop floor of the smart factory, and what we supply here our customer, it's an entire fuel cell production. And actually all the machines are coming from ASYS, including we're using the products of the handling system, we're using laser systems, we're using the final assembly platform, we're using material logistics with some AMRs, and we also have the software suite above, so that the communication is done in between the systems, all the material supply, order management, and all that stuff.
It's been incredible. Thank you so much, Adrian, for
You're
your
very
time.
welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you.